Some information about zoning. So every property has got a zoning certificate which indicates the zoning that is allowed for that property or that has been approved for that property. And that zoning is linked to specific activities and functions of the structures on that property that is legal. So if you're a residential homeowner, you'll probably have a Res 1 or maybe agricultural zoning for the less developed areas. We've also seen special zoning. And that type of zoning determines the activities that's allowed to take place on that property. So we're seeing a lot of homeowners converting garages into units to rent out or building additional units to rent out. We are seeing in terms of, for example, one of our clients converted their garage into a gym where they are receiving clients to do personal training with. These are all activities that's not aligned with the zoning for that specific property. If you would like more information on zoning, what you can and what you cannot do, and costs, don't hesitate to get into contact with us. Have a good afternoon.